Oh, that looks mid. It is hot as heck today. A couple of things I forgot that I owned. Got these engine bay dress up bolts. These are in gold, so hopefully they kind of blend in a little bit with the paint of the engine bay, because currently there's purple ones in there. Don't know why you'd put purple in there. And then we've got some chopped dust caps. Now, the reason why I haven't put these on anything is because most of my cars are parked on the street and little kids come and steal them all. But this thing is garaged. Mint. That. Just with some wheels and headlights, it has completely changed the look of how that car sits. So this thing has a problem with the temp gauge, just kinda, it just keeps going. Like there's no stopping point. But it doesn't seem like it's getting like hot. It doesn't lead me to believe that it's actually overheating. So to test if it actually is overheating, or if the coolant gauge is just kind of going a bit wonky, I'm gonna attach a aftermarket coolant gauge. I got one from Sue Cheap. This is just like a spare gauge holder that I had sitting around in the shed. And I've got some wiring and the little adapter. I don't know what it's called. You got this thing. I don't think this has a drain plug. It's just too low for me to completely get under here. It's either way, it's dropping on the ground, so... Woo! I guess we're doing it the messy way then, and coolant's just... Oh... coolant's just gonna have to go everywhere. Although, what if this thing definitely needs a coolant flush very, very soon. So coolant wants to flow to the lowest point it can go. So we take this off nice and quickly, point it upwards so it doesn't come out. Oh, I was just wanting to get stuff out of the hose like that. Here's the problem with doing all the filming and like stuff by yourself. There's no one to just kind of like hold the camera out of the way. So you're constantly knocking it over, or like nothing is in shot. Eugh. Rusty. That's gonna sit about there, and then we just need our little 90 degree to go around there. Definitely butchered that up, but woo! Always cut towards your body. So that there is our actual sensor, so we'll screw that in. Alright, so this one goes as a ground somewhere, so that might this one goes to our actual gauge itself. Now all the fun stuff under here. With ignition on, we got 12 volts coming from this one here. And then with lights on, we got 12 volts coming from that one up there. We've got some lights on there, so that's good news.